Guys did a fantastic job, you know. So what they're gonna start doing now is cleaning it all up and start framing. You know, they're gonna start cleaning it up, start framing. I'm all in the way, you know. But as you can see, these guys are real meticulous. They take their time, they're very cautious, and they make sure it's done right. That's what I like about it. Nobody's rushing. Nobody's taking unnecessary chances. Everyone's doing things the right way. They take pride in this plaza. That's one thing I can say about this company. They take pride in this plaza, you know, because they do a lot of things out here. So they want to make sure this plaza looks right and perfect. Beverly does an awesome job, and everything's no one's sitting still. They're always working. Over here, they're redoing the landscaping over in this corner right here. So these guys are all on top of that bright and early. These are, I'll show you, they got the mulch over there. They got some shrubbery here that we're gonna put back in. So this type of stuff is going on today. So while those guys are doing the cuts, the final cuts on the sidewalk, these guys are redoing the landscaping over here in this corner.